Hey, would you like to know how the food in your refrigerator can last longer and your whole refrigerator smell better? Let me show you. pureAIr Fridge is a small, rechargeable appliance that sets in your refrigerator and eats up ethylene gas before the ethylene gas can over-ripen refrigerated fruits and vegetables, keeping your food tasting better for longer, which saves you money. pureAIr Fridge also eliminates odors in a way that a box of baking soda can only dream about. A single charge lasts about 3 weeks, and when it runs low, pureAIr Fridge will chirp and blink red to let you know it needs to be recharged. Plug the included charging cord into any USB port, and in a matter of hours, pureAIr Fridge will be ready for duty again. There are no filters to clean or replace, and there is no assembly required. Don't be fooled by lesser products. pureAIr Fridge is a high-functioning piece of equipment that is tested, safe, durable, and best of all, really effective. With pureAIr Fridge, your food will last longer, hold texture longer, taste better, and your refrigerator will smell great even when you load it down with garlicky leftovers. Fresh food is what you need. pureAIr Fridge delivers just that. Selling pureAIr Fridge is easy, and easy is lucrative. The product packaging is full of information that will help you close your customers. The easy to merchandise package will sit upright on a shelf or can be pegged. We offer an 8-count shelf tray and an 18-count pre-packed floor merchandiser. The floor merchandiser is the perfect way to get it in front of every one of your customers. The market is huge. Every household needs one for every one of their refrigerators. Your customers are gonna love it.